And action! Hello folks, welcome back to Master Designs. Hope you guys are ready for a big scare of an event. Well, today we're going to show you how to draw Gravimon. If you must know, Gravimon is one of the 7 top Dark Generals from Digimon Fusion that were hand-selected by Lord Bagra himself to take over the entire digital world. If you must know by now, summoning these Digimon on Lord Bagra's side was a really bad idea. If you ask me, they make really great Pokemon. And basically, their designs, well, let's just say they deserve some credit for making these Digimon extra awesome. Yeah, I said that. Every one of them is extra awesome based on what they look like. So basically, when you're drawing Gravimon, you need to do his hair really, really big, thick, and phantomy. And let's see here. Okay, okay, so I make sure his hair is really, really long and skinny. And make sure it's extra long. Okay, this might take a while, folks. So, give me a minute while I zoom in. There we go. Okay, done with that. Okay, Gravimon's has an X on his head. Be sure to, okay, Gravimon's arms, they're there we go. Next up, you just gotta draw these wires. And done with this. So when you're drawing Gravimon's hands, you need to make sure they're more really big and raggy-like, so that they be more real and more phantomastic. Okay, phantomastic isn't really a word, but still, you need to make sure it looks really spooky looking. Looks really spooky looking. Oh shoot. Make sure his fingers are really... You need to make sure his fingers look really spooky looking. Okay, there we go. There's his belt. So, there's his belt. Make sure to add a few lines on the one belt here. Then you add... There we go. And the final attachment is his long tentacles. Make sure to add his tentacles to the body. Make sure to add like 4 to each panel. And done. That's how you draw a gravimon. Forgive me if this thing is a bit too short. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and hope you guys are excited for the next video, because this one is going to be blasting you out of this world.